My question is regarding ants. Killing ants are haram, but in my bathroom, I don't know where they come from. Too many ants. When I go to take shower, there is no other option, but they will get killed by the water flow. Or after shower, when I wipe my bathroom to make it dry, they get killed. It is unintentional. So does it still make me sinful, Sheikh?
There
What
is
is
no sin in killing whatever is harmful. So yes, there is a hadith where the Prophet prohibited ﷺ, the killing of ants and bees and another two creatures, I don't know the names in English, السرد والهدهد. I think the hudhud is hippo or something like that, and another bird. However, scholars said that if the bees are attacking us, like killer bees, or the ants are harming us, then there's no problem in killing whatever is harmful. What dies as a consequence unintentionally, there's nothing wrong in that. There is a whole chapter in the Quran called the ant, where an ant tells its people, go hide so that the soldiers of Solomon, peace be upon him, would not crush you unknowingly. So it's not their intention to kill you. And they're not sinful for doing that. So when you wash your bathroom floor or the tubs, and the ants die in the process, there is no sin on you in that. And if they harm you, if they infest the house, if they bite and terrify the children, there's no problem in killing them.